Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the input lag on your PlayStation 5 with quick settings. So just on your PlayStation, we want to go up to the top and go to Settings and select this. And then scroll on down to System. Then under here, let's go to HDMI and then go to the right. And then go to this feature right here. This is called Auto Low Latency Mode, ALLM, and you want to make sure this is turned on. If your TV supports ALLM, this setting allows it to automatically switch to low latency mode while playing games. So this is going to be game mode. Even if you turn this setting off, ALLM will be enabled while using VRR, variable refresh rate. So you want to turn this on to force your TV to be placed in the game mode. Now, my TV doesn't support it because I am actually using a computer monitor. Now, the reason I'm using a computer monitor is because the response time on computer monitors is far better than a TV. So this specific model, I believe, only has like a 2 or 3 millisecond response time delay. On some of these larger, newer TVs, it could be in the hundreds of milliseconds, and that is why you're noticing a small delay when you're moving your thumbsticks. So you want to make sure ALLM is turned on, or if you have a setting on your TV, you want to go through the different picture settings on here and look for something called game mode. Now, on your computer monitor, you could have something similar as well. So I have picture mode, FPS. So make sure that is turned on your monitor as well. If you have a TV, turn on game mode. Now, if you are having a problem with your controller, maybe that's the reason it seems like there's a delay. Try reconnecting and syncing your controller. So let's go down to accessories right here. Then go to general, go to Bluetooth accessories, and then go to your DualSense wireless controller, and then go to delete. And forget it from your PlayStation 5. So now if I press the PlayStation button, well, it's going to be disconnected from my PlayStation. I will have to reconnect it using a USB cable. So I have a USB cable plugged into the front of my PlayStation. I'm going to plug the other end into my controller, then press the PlayStation button, and then press it again, and my controller should now be connected again. So you can see I am player number 1. Now another thing that you can do is flip around your controller when it's turned on, and there is going to be a small pinhole that you want to go ahead and press down. So I'm using a toothpick. I'm going to press down on this small pinhole. I do have back pedals on here. And then my controller will turn off if I press this down, and it will reset. Now that it's turned off, turn it back on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.